Hello, seniors. Welcome to morning meeting on Wednesday, April 28th. Really excited to talk about your senior signing day and a few things you need to be doing to prepare for that day. But this is going to be a fun event as we head into the final push of your senior year. Couple things is that last year we were not able to have senior signing day, but this year we will. It's going to look a little different than in years past, but we get to make it really personal for College View. We won't be able to go to the Coliseum, but we're really excited about some really cool things that we'll do to make this a really special day. It'll be Wednesday, May 19th. So if you have a work schedule, please take off work. We want as many seniors there to celebrate and to participate in this day. The plan right now is that you'll come into the building for a 1 hour pre-recorded presentation with like the network with a lot of celebrations, guest speakers, and a highlight reel of all your decisions, which we're really excited to share. Over the next month, or not next month, next like couple weeks or so, you're going to film your individual videos. I'll talk about that in a second. After the program, we're going to have a cookout, yearbook signing, and your senior closing circle will occur on this day. For your family members, or if you have younger siblings or family in 9th through 11th, they're going to watch the program remotely at home on Microsoft Teams, but you'll be able to come in person and actually watch the program with your classmates and friends. The rough schedule of the day is that you'll do advisory from home. You'll then travel to school. We'll watch the program together in the gym, and then we'll have a little bit of a transition time. And then we're going to do some rotations, such as like outdoor cookout, yearbook signing, graduation practice, and then you'll have closing circle to conclude the day. So definitely a really fun day that we want to make sure that as many seniors as possible can come. We're going to follow all of our health and safety protocols to keep you safe, but we want to make sure you have one final day on campus to celebrate this huge accomplishment of 100% of you all getting to a four-year college. Again, why you should come. It's one of your last big events. We're going to follow health and safety. We're also giving away tons of swag, t-shirts, foam figures, and giveaways. We're going to be able to have a lot of like fun and you'll be able to walk away with a lot of cool stuff. We're going to have a cookout. This is where you're going to pick up your yearbook. You'll have a yearbook signing party. This also will help with like dropping off your laptop and just close out your time at CVHS. We do want to end the year on a high note altogether, so please do your best to come to this event if you feel comfortable. Now, the fun things, the things you should be doing over the next couple of weeks to be prepared for senior signing day. The first thing is that you need to record your post-secondary plan video. You have received 2 email directions from an organization called Stage Clip. What that means is that you're going to film your video and then upload it to that platform, and we're going to collect those videos all together. The good news is that if you are having some difficulty or you want some swag with your video, you can come to school this Friday, April 30th, if you need more support. Myself and Mr. Ferrer will be here throughout the day, so please come if you want help uploading your video. The due date is May 5th, but please get it done sooner. The best way to do this is to get your laptop out and save the video in an MOV or MPV format. So that is the best way to make sure that there'll be no issues. After you record your video, you need to make sure you have your senior enrollment meeting with your college application manager. We've already been able to do about 55 meetings or so we're almost done with the class. And then be on the lookout for some senior checkout items, such as laptop return, school fees, cap and gown, yearbook. You can pick up your yearbook there. We're asking for a $10 donation to cover the cost. But if you cannot do that, talk to me or Miss Rice. We can figure out something. Just to give you an example of what your video should look like, none other than our Mr. President himself has filmed a video of what you could do for your stage clip video. Awesome. So that's an example video of what yours should look like for stage clip. So please get that done as soon as possible. So, and to wrap up, again, this is your checklist of everything that you need to do. Have your senior enrollment meeting with your college counselor by May 7th. Again, we're scheduling those. We've done almost all of them. We're really close to getting that done. The next thing is film your stage clip video by May 5th, earlier if you can. Please come to the school this Friday if you need help with filming. We'll be here from 8:30 to 3. Especially if you're remote and worried about health and safety or have trouble videoing, we'll be here. We'll follow the safety protocols to make sure you're in a good spot. And don't forget, you need to keep working hard in all your classes. Get out of credit recovery if you're there. Keep pushing through. Do your AP test. Complete your senior project or your e-ship project. You're so close to being done. And the last thing is, please come to school on May 19th. Your teachers are going to be here. Senior classmates will be here, and we want to close out the year on a really high note. Thank you, everyone. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.